What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna go over Sia Siacoin. We haven't gone over Sia in quite a while, and it's been recovering beautifully with the rest of the market. We're up about 32% on the week, and in the last 24 hours, we're up 13%. Currently sitting at 0.014. Definitely a sleeper pick in my opinion. Was moving beautifully along on the bull run here. So we're sitting in a market cap of 715 million. And the 24-hour volume is 55 million. So let's just pop straight into it, guys. We're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So you can see here we're beautifully bouncing off the EMAs. Sia tends to do that, where it just beautifully holds the support of the EMAs. We got back above the golden ratio, and we've come all the way back up to where we started, and we're hitting just a little bit of resistance. You can see here we do have a small bearish divergence, as well as we're trending a little bit into overbought here on the 4-hour chart. So that is something to keep an eye on. We are anticipating a bit of a correction here with Bitcoin on the channel with the bearish divergence. Here's Bitcoin. We have our bearish divergence. We've hit 42K. So we may see a little bit of correction here. If not, we blast up to about 45K, which is our breakout target. But we're talking about Sia coin here. So do keep an eye if you do see us start to hit resistance. I will drop in some levels of support here. I'm going to drop in this level of support in this area. It's the golden ratio, 0.014. I think that would be a strong level of support before seeing some continuation. And if we were to see some continuation, then of course you have the 1.272 extension, which is up here at about 0.017 for Sia. You can see the support in this area. If we look at Sia coin on the daily, you can see we had our descending channel, the same as with Bitcoin. We broke out. We're back above the 20 EMA. We're also back above the 55, which I think is a beautiful signal here for Sia. If we pop it open to the weekly, we can see here on the weekly, we're just starting to get back above the 55. We have a lot of work to do here for Sia coin to get us back above the 20 EMA. Just grab my brush here. Get us back above the 20 EMA, probably going into next week, as this candle is just about to close. So going into next week, get back above the 20 EMA at about 0.018, 0.019, hold it as support and see that continuation here for Sia coin. Definitely a sleeper pick. It's a really strong project for storing online data, online documents and stuff like that. So definitely worth looking into here. I would expect a little bit of correction, and strong level support is 0.012. But if we do break through and we continue here, you can target 0.017 for Sia. But as I've been saying in my Bitcoin videos, we are seeing the bearish divergence. We are overextended on the daily. As you can see with Sia coin, if we pop it open to the daily, we've just been having a beautiful little pump here. However, we are kind of just getting back above the EMAs, but Sia coin did sell off rather hard. Yeah, about 80-90%, which is just absolutely intense here. So we are just getting back above the EMAs. So we might not see that much sell-off when Bitcoin has its correction. But a level of support here would be 0.012. You could drop in this level as well at about 0.013. So just a little quick update for Sia coin. Definitely a sleeper in my opinion. So I just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys. So if you got any value, smash that like button. Check out Bybit. Check out the Discord. Follow me on social. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.